How will AI shape the future of work? What if your job didn't exist in 10 years? AI is already replacing workers, automating jobs, and reshaping entire industries, but is it a threat or an opportunity? Today, we're diving deep into how AI is transforming the future of work and what you can do to stay ahead. What is AI's role in the future of work? AI is revolutionizing workplaces across industries by taking over a wide range of tasks and boosting overall productivity. Businesses are evolving, finding new ways to incorporate AI-driven solutions that improve efficiency while creating opportunities for innovation. AI is increasingly taking over tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, and data-driven. In offices, AI-powered virtual assistants are managing schedules, handling email correspondence, and automating document processing, reducing the workload for administrative professionals. Customer support is undergoing a significant transformation, with AI chatbots and automated service platforms answering inquiries, resolving complaints, and providing 24/7 assistance without requiring human intervention. In manufacturing and logistics, AI-driven robots are assembling products, handling packaging, and optimizing supply chain management, making operations faster and more cost-effective. The finance sector is also leveraging AI for fraud detection, transaction automation, and financial reporting, minimizing human errors and increasing security. However, AI still struggles with creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving, areas where human expertise remains indispensable. While AI is automating many tasks, it is also creating new career opportunities. The demand for AI specialists, machine learning engineers, and data scientists is surging as businesses seek professionals who can develop, maintain, and optimize AI systems. AI trainers and data annotators are in demand to teach AI models how to recognize language, analyze images, and process human behavior. The emergence of AI-driven industries has also led to new roles such as AI ethics officers responsible for ensuring the ethical deployment of AI, and cybersecurity specialists who protect AI-powered infrastructures from cyber threats. Additionally, AI is opening doors for creatives, enabling artists, musicians, and content creators to produce innovative work with AI-enhanced tools. As AI continues to evolve, the workforce must evolve with it. Success in this AI-driven era will require adaptability, continuous learning, and the ability to integrate human creativity with AI capabilities. Who will be most affected by AI? AI is reshaping multiple industries, with some sectors experiencing greater disruption than others. While certain jobs may be at risk, others will thrive as AI integrates into business operations and creates new fields of employment. Industries that rely heavily on repetitive tasks and manual labor will see the most significant changes. In manufacturing and warehousing, AI-powered robots are already performing assembly line work, handling packaging, and conducting quality inspections with higher efficiency than human workers. The retail industry is adopting AI-driven self-checkout systems and automated customer service solutions, reducing the need for cashiers and frontline retail employees. Transportation and logistics are also undergoing a transformation, with AI-powered self-driving vehicles, automated route optimization, and drone delivery systems making logistics more efficient. Meanwhile, the finance sector is leveraging AI for algorithmic trading, fraud prevention, and automated customer support, reducing the need for human intervention in certain banking processes. However, some sectors are benefiting from AI-driven advancements. The technology and AI development industries are booming, creating high-demand jobs for AI engineers, data scientists, and software developers. Healthcare is also seeing a surge in AI-powered applications, including robotic-assisted surgeries, AI-driven diagnostics, and personalized treatment plans, enhancing patient care and medical outcomes. The education sector is adapting to the growing need for AI literacy, with educators specializing in AI, machine learning, and data science preparing the workforce for an AI-integrated future. Individuals and businesses that embrace these changes and invest in upskilling will be best positioned to thrive in the AI-powered workforce of the future. When will AI start replacing jobs? AI-driven automation is not a distant future, it is happening now. Businesses are rapidly adopting AI-powered solutions, and the pace of implementation is accelerating across various industries. Studies suggest that by 2030, nearly 30% of current job tasks could be automated. AI adoption is progressing in phases, starting with simple automated processes and gradually expanding to more sophisticated applications requiring deep integration into business operations. In the short term, from now until 2025, AI is enhancing workplace productivity through automation tools, virtual assistants, and data-driven decision-making. By the midterm, between 2025 and 2035, AI-powered robotics, self-driving technologies, and intelligent automation systems will become more commonplace, transforming job roles and workplace structures. Looking ahead to the long-term future, beyond 2035, AI will be seamlessly integrated into nearly every industry, with human-AI collaboration becoming the norm. While AI will inevitably replace some traditional roles, it will also create opportunities for workers who are prepared to transition into emerging careers, those who develop skills in AI literacy, problem solving, and digital innovation will have the greatest advantage in navigating the shifting job market. Fun facts about AI and the future of work. The first ever AI chatbot, Eliza, was created in 1966 and could simulate a conversation, though not as well as today's AI assistants. AI is already being used to compose music, with AI-generated songs appearing on streaming platforms. Some companies are experimenting with AI-powered recruitment systems that can analyze resumes and conduct initial interviews. By 2025, AI is expected to contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy. AI can now generate deepfake videos that are nearly indistinguishable from real footage, raising both ethical concerns and exciting possibilities. AI isn't just a tool, it's the next industrial revolution. The future of work won't be about AI versus humans, it will be about humans working alongside AI. So the question is, are you ready for the AI-powered future? Let us know in the comments, do you think AI will take your job or create new opportunities? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating topics from NeuralNet Academy. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other AI-related content and keep exploring the future with us.